So first we will talk about the ECDIS. Okay. These are the all maybe one or two I missed out because just I have written. So many equipments, but maybe one or more two equipment. But for the bridge equipment, I will compile one PDF for you for the one or two lines, and I will share. Okay, so you will get on your mobile. Okay. So first we will talk about the ECDIS. What is the ECDIS? ECDIS is that electronic charge in display information system. So what happened? This is the one with like a screen. It's a LED screen. Okay, this equipment looks like a LED screen which have that all electronic charts. Okay, all ocean we have the electronic charts. So on the electronic charts, the ship is we can see where the ship is moving. After we can making these routes and all, we can see the all information. What is the depth? What is the course? What is the speed? So X-band is known as 3 centimeter radar also, and S-band is 10 centimeter. Okay. So this is frequency. When this 3 centimeter and this is what? Wavelength. Okay, wavelength. So what is the frequency? I am not going to tell you. You must have studied in your 12th. What is the frequency? Correct. So which radar have the more frequency? X band. Exactly. Okay. X band have the more frequency, so that when your radar have the one scanner, correct? So what happen when this is transmitting the waves and hitting to the object, and again reception जब होता है radar का जो आपका scanner है, तो then image will be printing on your radar screen. So more frequency have, the more frequency have length wavelength कम होगा कि ज़्यादा होगा? Exactly. More frequency have the less wavelength. So this have the more frequency. Okay. So this is this radar is used for near object, and this is for farthest. Okay, if that object is more than 5 nautical mile, basically for more than 5 nautical mile we are using S band, and for the small object and nearest less than 5 mile or 7 mile or that we can use that X band. Okay, X band. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, that S band also can show you the 2 nautical mile or 1 nautical mile. Okay, and the X band also, if the object is bigger, that we can see the 10 nautical mile. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने बोला पास का है तो पास में ही दिखेगा, दूर का है तो दूर में दिखेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, we can see on both radar, but best performance कैसे देगा? Yes, if it is a nearby, then we can use that X band, and if it is a farther, we can use S band. Okay, so these are the X band. Speed log. Speed log क्या होता है? Speed log ship की speed. Okay, you know that this is working on that Doppler principle. Okay, cos 60 degree. Have you read about cos 60 degree Doppler effect? नहीं, आप लोग के syllabus में नहीं होगा. Anyway, no problem. But when the ship speed log क्या होता है? when your ship is, one transducer is fitted on the bottom of the ship, and that is continuously transmitting on the 60-degree, on the this 60-degree, this is transmitting continuously. Okay, and then with the movement of the ship, the ship will be somewhere here after some time. So after that same thing, that will be received back. Okay, and transmitting and reception have some time and calculation. With the reference of the transmitting and reception, there is a calculation, and